Rafayel is a new brand of hotel, and the challenge was to create something in what is a very post-industrial setting within London. The developer wanted to make this area successful and create a destination within this area. So this project became quite interesting in that sense because it was an existing building in quite a challenging context. And the idea of introducing a hotel into a context such as this was our first form of, a sustainable project. We wanted to create the cycle of the day within the building because the rooms enjoy, they enjoy sunrise and sunset because of the orientation of the building. But the middle of this building, which is the dead core, we wanted to reflect this idea. So we've introduced elements of perception of daylight into the hotel. So the center of the building, for example, has color changing, which reflects the daytime. It starts, in a blue and goes to a pink, so morning to evening. And I think the advances in lighting technology, the advances in dynamic colored lighting, for example, and LEDs sort of put together or presented an opportunity, that suited the project very well because LEDs are brilliant for lowering energy consumption. They work at a fraction of the energy of conventional types of bulb. But at the same time, you can change the color, you can program these lights. The experience that the customers have with the light is very interesting. I mean, for example, the jet lag recovery rooms have had a great response because it's exactly how we'd expected. I mean, we're not sure whether it actually helps or whether it actually helps you recover from jet lag, but the actual perception or being able to have a room where you can change your light to whatever color you want or have a playing light cycle is fantastic, and it's given them a new experience. And I think in general, the guests has been quite surprised with, for example, nobody notices that the middle of the building is so dark because of this ambient changing light cycles. And it is very nice that they actually do notice that the light is changing, which is something that, as a designer you can put in, but some people never notice these things, but they have been noted. And all the reviews that the actual owner has got have been very, very positive on this aspect. So yeah, so I think that's a great thing.